What it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads. If you enjoy cleaning motivation, mommy life, lifestyle videos, you are in the right spot. You have found the right channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your bell on so you guys can get my post notifications. Okay, now as you guys can see, this room is a complete disaster. I mean, there's toys everywhere. Toys, nothing but toys in this room. I know you guys are probably thinking, why did I just move that huge mattress out the room? Well, I took out all of their bed frames. It was wood, so I mean, they kept jumping on the bed, everything kept breaking. I kept fixing it, so I just threw everything out. And that big mattress was there pretty much because the kids were like jumping off of the other bed onto that bed, and I had nowhere to put it. But today's the day that that mattress gets completely taken out. I organized the toys. I'm going to separate the toys from boy toys and girl toys. That's what I'm going to focus on today. I want to see if I can get some type of organization here by separating at least the boys' toys from the girls' toys until I get proper organization bins where I can actually separate the toys by category. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am going to be separating boys' toys from girls' toys and see if I could get some type of organization in this closet, because this pile is just like, it's just sitting in the closet. It's like the pile... It's like the monster of toys pile, I like to call it, because it just starts sliding out the closet little by little, until it just completely takes over the whole entire room. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and let's see what the outcome is. I also want to add in there that I am going to be filming a video of a complete makeover of the kids' room once their new bed sets come in, and I'm going to get new bins for their toys and separate everything by category. So you guys stay tuned for that video. That is going to be a good video. Are you feeling a little overwhelmed yet? Okay, at this point you could kind of see that I kind of got a little bit frazzled and overwhelmed with everything. So I figured the best thing I would do is put the biggest toys, like the big toys, to the back of the wall so that I can get everything else cleaned up and then just have to worry about the big toys, placing them somewhere. guys, don't mind me. I don't know what the heck I was thinking here. I don't know why I decided to put the shoes in the suitcases. I know I'm going to organize their shoe rack and get rid of the shoes that they don't wear anymore. But I don't know what got in my mind to put them in the suitcases. But I don't know. Just, you know, bear with me, you guys. But at this point, I'm already overwhelmed. I want to quit. But we just got to keep pushing. Finally, we got everything done. That was a process. I did get overwhelmed in the process, but finally got it completed. I did realize that my son has more toys than my daughters, so I kind of made that mistake. I should have put his toys on the other side. Also, the shoes that I put in the suitcases, I don't know what I was thinking, but I am going to organize them and put them on the shoe rack correctly, get rid of some of their shoes, and yeah. It's gonna look better, you guys. I promise. I promise. Just stay tuned.